welcome to a new vlog. It is the first week of classes for Brown and I'm about to get on the shuttle so that I can get to campus and do some reading for my classes. I got all dressed up today, got cute because first day shenanigans, but today I don't actually have classes. I just have readings to get done because my first class of the week is actually on Friday, but I figure I'd get in the first day spirit because everyone else on campus has classes and just kind of like get my readings done on campus as opposed to just sitting in my tiny apartment all day. So I'm about to hop in the shuttle, get on campus, and start my readings. Okay, and this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this sweater. I think I got it from H&M. Belt, pants, and some Nike sneakers, and I just put my hair up in a half updo. So yeah, let's get to campus. Okay, so it is day 2 of no classes but going to campus. I'm going to go meet up with someone I met from TikTok actually, who's going to Brown. I think she's a first year, and we're going to get coffee at ceremony, and then I'm going to do some readings for classes because my first class is tomorrow. And then after that, I have I'm going to the Natural History Museum in Providence with someone else. So it's a pretty full day for me, but let's see if I can actually finish this reading because I started it yesterday and still haven't made that much progress. So fingers crossed I get that done. Good morning. Oof, my voice. Actually, let me pause this music. There we go. I am up bright and early with my water bottle, trying to get ahead on some reading. Well, not ahead, get caught up on some reading. I had my first class today, and I missed 2 of the readings that she posted. I thought we only had 2, but there was 4. And so I wanted to get those done because my class is at 3 today. And I want to make sure that I have everything because I'm not sure if she's going to I'm not sure how she's going to structure the discussion, if we're going to actually just bounce from text to text, or if she's actually going to focus on one specific one. So I'm trying to make sure that I've read everything and kind of understood it. I'm taking some notes as well. And I'm giving myself 2 hours to get these readings done because it's a couple hundred pages. And then I'll get ready for the day and go to campus. I'm gonna go to campus a little bit early because I'm not sure where the class is. And I'm also just not sure about anything. So I'm gonna get there early so that I can maybe set up shop and finish some reading and then actually go to class whenever it's class time. So that's been my morning. It is now 7:52, so I'm up really earlier than I normally am, but I feel like it's probably going to be like this for a little bit until I get adjusted to my reading schedule or my reading load. But it was actually nice. I feel like I had a lot more energy and I've been able to be more focused as I've been going through the readings, so that has been good. But yeah, I am about to go make breakfast probably in the next hour and then start getting ready for the day. Okay, so here's a glimpse of how my Notion is set up. A lot of this information is already filled in, so I'll just show you guys what I am still currently doing. But on the side, I have things like my dissertation planner, Ph.D. Life Hub, Ph.D. goals, readings tracker, and all that good stuff. I also have a very simplified budget, just kind of making sure that my money is going where I need it to be. But this is the little assignment tracker that I have, and I'm trying to put in all the assignments that I know for my PhD on here. I also have things like class listings and other things like that at the top in my class schedule, but I'm trying to make sure that I can put all the assignments that I know that I'm gonna have on my calendar so that I don't have to kind of keep going back to the syllabus as much. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do before I actually really fully immerse myself in readings, is just making sure that I'm organized first. Okay guys, I'm getting ready for today. I have my first class in about an hour and it's really starting to hit me. I still have a few pages of the reading left to do, and I just really don't know how much we're going to be discussing, so I really don't know how closely to read. Of course I'm reading and taking notes and making sure that I generally understand what we're talking about, but I'm just a little bit nervous about the discussion portion and what's going to be asked or whatever. But either way, yeah, so I finished most of my reading from this morning. I look more alive now. I actually put together my outfit. I'll show you guys in a second. But yeah, I did some very, very light makeup and I'm feeling good, but I'm about to actually head out and hop on the shuttle to campus. And yeah, I have my first class and hopefully I'll have a little bit of time to do the last few pages of that reading. But yeah, a little bit nervous, but overall excited. This class I'm really, really excited about because this professor is someone that I actually was looking into for a long time. So it'll be interesting to be in her classroom. So yeah, I'm so excited for my first day of classes. All right guys, so this is what I'm wearing to class today. I'm wearing these Nike sneakers, black jeans from Zara, this shirt that I got from my mom. She gifted it to me, and I'm wearing this like button up underneath it. Backpack is Herschel, and I really like the way that this look came out. So yeah, so that's what I'm wearing for my first day of classes. So let's go. Okay, so we're off to a pretty rough start. I came to Andrew House, which is not the building that I'm supposed to be in. There's another building with the exact same name. So, and it's on the other side of campus. And it's a good thing I came an hour early, but that just means I'm gonna be on time. But oh my God, I literally walked to this side of campus and now I need to be on the other side of campus. And I just feel like it's just classic first day shenanigans. But yeah, I'm feeling very grateful that I left early because it's gonna take me another 15 minutes to walk to the actual building that I'm supposed to be in. So I'm exhausted already. So I just came out of my first class and it went so good. I was definitely nervous for no reason, I would say. The professor was really, really nice, and we just kind of went over the syllabus, talked about the first readings for the class. And yeah, I don't know what I expected, but it actually went really good.